Voxgen is the AI-powered localization platform that enables businesses to speak every language, reducing time to market and delighting their customers wherever they are. And getting started with Voxgen and localizing your product is incredibly easy. You create a new project, you connect your GitHub account, it's quick, it's straightforward, just the usual stuff. And then, once your GitHub account is connected, you can import any repo. In this case, we'll just import the dashboard repo. Then, you simply select your translation file. If you don't have one, that's absolutely fine because we can automatically generate one for you, following all the best practices and mapping and adding all translation keys so you don't need to worry about anything at all. Then you name your project, you describe it, you can even define a specific tone of voice for your translations. In this case, we'll just keep it informal. Another magical thing about Voxgen is that we take context very seriously. So we built a way for you to add contextual links and screenshots of your product. With that, our AI can truly understand what your product does without any menu input. This means that our AI translations will be even more accurate. Finally, the last step here is to decide whether you want your product to be auto-translated. In other words, we can monitor your repo, and every time we detect a change in one of your translation files, we'll automatically update your Voxgen project with the latest changes, translating everything and even opening a pull request for you. All you have to do is approve it directly on GitHub, and that's it. But of course, if you want to review any auto-translated strings before we open a pull request, you can easily require that someone from your team review and approve it first. With Voxgen, you are always in control. Then, once you've created your project, you just click here and it's going to open a powerful translation table where you can see all of your translations at a glance in a beautiful yet familiar user interface. And if you want to start translating your product right away, you just click the plus icon here and then you can add as many languages as you want. Let's add, for example, Brazilian Portuguese, Spanish, and French. Now, let's see some magic. Voila, your product was translated to 3 different languages in seconds. And one last thing, Voxgen also allows you to fine-tune your translations. So let's click here and see what happens, right? So, okay, you can rephrase it, you can shorten it, you can optimize it for SEO, you can even get alternative translations for this string. But in this case, let's just shorten it a little bit and see how it looks like. Okay, looks good. Then you can simply sync with your repo, a pull request will be open, and that's it.